So now that I have one clip on the timeline, let's continue the tour of the Adobe Audition interface. Down here, you will find the transport controls. You will see buttons for play, rewind, fast forward, and record, as well as go to the last cut or go to the next cut. We can also use the space bar for playback and pausing. If we hold the Option key and the left arrow, we go to the last cut, and doing the Option key and the right arrow will take us to the next cut. If we hold the Option key and the up-down arrow, the audio file will move up or down a track. We can also use the JKL keys for playback. Pressing L once will play back at normal speed. Pressing L twice, 3 times, 4 times, etc., will speed up the playback. K is pause, and J will play our file backwards. There are a few ways to zoom. We can use this timeline zoom control to change the zoom and to easily zoom out to see everything. We also have this zoom out full button. We can use these zoom buttons to make the track higher or shorter. And we can also use the plus and minus keys on the keyboard for zooming. Up here are some editing tools. We have the Move tool, the Blade, and the Selector tool. If you hold your mouse over each button, you will see the keyboard shortcut. If you want to see other keyboard shortcuts, you can go into the Edit menu where you'll see keyboard shortcuts. The Move tool allows me to move stuff around. The Blade tool is what I use to cut clips. And if I hold the Shift key while using the Blade tool, I can cut across several tracks at the same time. I can also use the keyboard shortcut Command K to split the clip. The Time Selector tool allows me to select an area of the clip and do something to it, like copy and paste it or cut it out. With the Slip tool, you can edit a trimmed or looped clip to shift its content within the clip edges. Here I have trimmed a clip so it is exactly 10 seconds. I can use the Slip tool to change what part of the original audio I'm hearing in this 10-second chunk. I use the Slip tool to change the content within the boundaries of this 10 seconds. The metronome is used when we're recording into Audition and we want to keep the beat. The clip stretcher will allow us to speed up or slow down a sound.
Running in place, take 1.
I'll demonstrate using the slate from the clip so you get a better idea of what it does. If I stretch out the clip, my voice is slowed down and it sounds like I'm drunk.
Running in place, take 1.
If I do the opposite, it sounds like I've drank 6 cups of coffee.
Running in place, take 1.
Notice how the pitch doesn't change, just the speed.